In from that consultancy, I we came to know many things, many opportunities, that how we can go to the abroad after graduation. What are the different opportunities? But they are charging too much amount.
Then I checked that link. That link is fraud. If I clicked on that link, then my money is deduct. So I blocked him.
Hi, I'm Priya. 2 years ago, I went for a college counseling in Kanpur, Dipsar. So a boy came. He also came for the counseling process. So we started talking because
He was very weak.
He was very weak in studies, so he used to look for my work every time when I use my system or whenever I do my homework.
Hi everyone, my name is Yash. Today I tell you how and why I blocked someone. I was sitting with my family and we are thinking for selling a old furniture. So I have an idea. At that movement, I uploaded a picture of furnitures on OLX. After some time, one buyer called me and asking for a price. After that discussion, he sent me a link and said to me that if you click on this link, then your money will receive. Then I checked that link. That link is fraud. If I clicked on that link, then my money is deduct. So I blocked him.
Nice. Yes. So Shubham, please tell us when you blocked someone.
Hello everyone, my name is Shubham, and today I will discuss why I blocked someone and when. Once I was in my previous institute, there was a boy named Bhavik who continuously irritated me, and like his
He was very weak.
he was very weak in studies, so he used to look for my work every time when I use my system or whenever I do my homework. He continuously call me and messages me for the homework, but I didn't give him. So day by day, his this behavior was increasing, and this lead to frustration. So I blocked him.
One day I blocked. Nice. Jay Kumar, start. Tell me why you blocked somebody.
So one day I was sleeping in on my home and my my phone rang and one boy come tell me, hey bro, what's up and who are you, and I don't know who is man, but he tell them waste my time and irritating me again to again, but that's why I'm block the boy. That's it.
Wow.
Is going. Hello everyone. I will tell you when I blocked someone. One day I was scrolling the reel on Instagram when a dress came to my Insta ID. Then I liked that. That I went to purchase. Then came a OTP on my phone mobile number. Then again I called him. He was asking me what was the OTP number. Then I told to his
I told him.
I told him to OTP. Then deducted the money from my account. That's it.
Where is the blocking process?
I got the OTP. Then he called me again and again while I.
Hi, I'm Priya. 2 years ago, I went for a college counseling
Course.
course. So he started sharing things like I am from Lucknow and I came here at my relatives and I wanted to take admission, so I am here for the counseling. And then he took number as a classmate, so we shared our
exchanged.
numbers.
We exchanged our numbers.
And then after 2-3 days, like he constantly changed his 6 to 7 numbers, and I blocked all the numbers due to its constant calling and talking nonsense things.
So hi everyone. So today I will tell you when I block someone and why I block someone. So to 1 year back, I went to the consultancy, foreign consultancy, to find out the possibilities of going abroad after my graduation was completed. So I went to that consultancy with my friend, and in from that consultancy, I we came to know many things, many opportunities, that how we can go to the abroad after graduation. What are the different opportunities? But they are charging too much amount from us, and we also have some. We also had some of doubts that they are charging higher money from us. So when we inquired from different consultancies, we came to know that they are charging higher amount of money, and their services is also not good. They didn't gave us surety to the many customers that they definitely send to you to the abroad. So
We decided not to contact them again.
okay,
We decided
not to contact them again. So we decided not to contact them again, and I frequently receiving the call from that consultancy, and I got irritated. Then I block the number of that agent from my phone. Thank you.
nice.